The Employees module is your HR hub, roster, salary ledger, and monthly payroll under one. The employee list shows name, role, department, salary, joining date, and active status. Search filters instantly. Add employee captures the full profile, contact details, role, department, monthly. Edit any profile, update salary, role, or department when someone's responsibilities change. Deactivate staff without deleting history. Inactive employees are excluded from the next payroll run. Employee ledger tracks what the company owes each person, a running balance with every transaction listed. Record a salary advance. Cash given early is tracked and reduces net pay at payroll time. Add a bonus. One-time rewards increase the balance the company owes that employee. Post a deduction. Uniform fees or penalties reduce the amount paid out. Manual adjustments correct rounding errors or carry forward balances from prior periods. Run payroll selects active employees, sets the confirm payroll. Each salary posts to the employee ledger and to accounting expenses automatically. Accounting expenses lists every payroll run, audit salary payments alongside your other business costs.